Hi, welcome to Bioinformatics Review. I'm Muniba Faiza and today we are going to perform molecular dynamics simulation of a simple protein using GROMACS. So we will be following this article published in Bioinformatics Review. Here you can find all important input files and all the necessary commands for running the simulation. So this simulation will be run in total 8 steps, and we will start with downloading the protein structure. We are going to perform the simulation on chain A of insulin protein. You can find it on rcsb.org having PDB ID 1ZNI. So download your protein of interest and let's begin with the preparation of our protein file. So for preparing this file, you will have to remove other chains and het atoms from the file, and you can open it in any editor. I'm using gedit. Remove these het atoms at the end of the file and all these chains, that is C and B, and leave it with chain A only. Okay, and save it as a new file .pdb. Okay, so now we have our input file ready with us. We can move on to our next step, that is converting PDB to GMX and generating our topology file. So copy this command, paste it here, and our output will be processed.grow and water model, and SPCE will be our water model. It will ask for the force field. You can use any one, amber, charm, chromos, and here I am using all atom force field OPLS, that is 15, and that is 15. Okay, now we have generated our topology file, and you can have a look at topol.top file. Go at the end. Here you can see protein chain A and number of molecules is 1 under the molecules directory. This file keeps updating itself after further steps, so I will explain it in detail in next step. Okay, so let's move on to our next step, that is defining our box. Now we will define a box around our protein, and we will define its position also inside the protein, that is by using -c argument in the edit-conf module. -c helps in keeping our protein in center. -d is the distance of our protein from the edges of our box, and -pt is the box type. So we are using rhombic dodecahedron, and just copy this command, paste it here. I'm performing this simulation on a Debian based server. Okay, so just log in from your terminal, log into your server. After entering password, go to the folder where you have all the input files or you want to perform simulation from. Okay, and then proceed with these commands. Hit enter. Okay, now we have defined our box. Next step is we are going to solvate our protein by adding water molecules. For that we will use GMX solvate module, and copy and paste this command here. Okay, now our output will be solvate.grow. Okay, and we are going to use the input file from the last command, box.grow, and our output will be solvate.grow. Hit enter. Now it is adding solvent molecules to our protein. Okay, it has added 6,873 residues. This will also be reflected in our topol.top file that we are going to visualize next. Type nano topol.top, go at the end of file. Here you can see the solvent molecules are 6,873 that have been added to our protein. Okay, now we are going to add ions to our proteins to neutralize it. So for that you need an input file, that is ions.mdp. Here we have defined the algorithm, that is steepest descent minimization, and our cutoff scheme is worlet. So just copy and paste this file and save it, name it as ions.mdp. Now copy this command. First we will generate the TPR file using the GMX Gromp module. Input file is ions.mdp and hit enter. Next we are going to use GMX Genine module to add ions to our protein. Okay. Now just copy and paste this command. Here we have given an argument neutral, so it will add the positive and negative ions by itself according to the need of our protein. Here it will prompt you to select a group of solvent molecules. We are going to use 13. Okay. Now have a look at topol.top file. Go to the end of file. Here, see, it has added 2 sodium ions to our protein. Now exit. Okay. Now we will move on to our next step, that is energy minimization. Energy minimization, it is used to stabilize the structure so that we don't have any steric clashes. For that you will need another input file, that is em.mdp. The number of steps we are going to use is 50,000. You can always increase them, but these are sufficient to minimize a simple protein. But if the protein size is large, so you can always increase these steps. Make sure the maximum force is less than 1000 kilojoule per mole per nanometer. If it isn't, then you can increase the number of steps. Okay, so just save this file, and we will use Gromp module to generate TPR file. Copy and paste this command. Output will be em.tpr. Okay, so you can look at this result. F maximum is less than 1000 and it is minimized in 312 steps. So it is still less than 50,000 steps. Okay, that means we can move on to our next step, that is equilibration. Meanwhile, if you want to look at the potential energy of your system after this minimization, then you can plot this graph. It will look like this. Use the GMX energy module and use the program XMGrace on Ubuntu and Qtgrace on Windows. So now we are going to perform equilibration. That is, now we are going to perform equilibration. We need to equilibrate the ions and the solvent around the protein and bring the system at a particular temperature. And here we are going to use 300 Kelvin. So it will be done in 2 phases. Phase first, that is called NVT ensemble, and phase second is called NPT ensemble. Here NVT stands for number of particles, volume and temperature, and NPT stands for number of particles, pressure and temperature. So for that you need nvt.mdp file as an input. Here you can see the number of steps are 50,000, time scale is 2fs, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay, cutoff scheme is again worlet. Okay, so again use GMX Gromp module to generate TPR file. Hit enter. And you can run this using this command. So just copy and paste this here and hit enter. It takes a while to finish this, so I have already kept these files here. As output you will get nvt.edr, .tpr, .trr and .pro. Okay, so after this we can move on to our next phase, that is equilibration, that is phase 2 equilibration, NPT ensemble. Meanwhile you can plot the graphs for temperature, density as you want to visualize them, but this is not going to be a part of this tutorial. We will cover this in our upcoming tutorial, that is the analysis. Meanwhile you can search for MD analysis article on our website, so I will tell you in detail about it after a little while. Okay, so phase second you will need another input file, that is npt.mdp. The algorithm and the cutoff scheme will be the same. The temperature will be 300 Kelvin and the number of steps as well, that are 50,000 steps, and time scale is 2fs. Okay, so again use GROME module, copy this, paste it here and run. Here NPT ensemble can be again run using mdrun module of GMX. You will have to wait for the processing to finish. Now just paste this command here and hit enter. Again this command also takes a while to finish, so I have already output files. I have already done this command, so I have the same output files as nvt, that are .grow, .edr, .tpr, .trr. Okay, now we have finished 7 steps and we have equilibrated our protein. Now last step that is remaining is running molecular dynamics simulation. For that you will need another input file, that is md.mdp. I am going to perform this simulation for 1 nanosecond time scale. You can adjust this time. Generally proteins are simulated at 30, 40, 50, 60 or even 100 ns. So you will have to adjust number of steps according to that. For that I have given a general formula in this article. You can read about it in detail, how you can adjust the number of steps and the time scale. So let's move on with 1 nanosecond time scale. We will generate the TPR file using GROME module again. Hit enter. Now run MD simulation using this command, copy and paste it here. If you want to make it run in the background, then use ampersand. Either use ampersand at the end or no-hub at the starting of the command. So I am going to use ampersand. So I am going to use ampersand at the end. Hit enter. Again enter. And if you want to check the status of your job, type jobs. So it is showing that it is running here. Else you can check it by opening this md.log file. Here it will show you all these steps that are being processed during this command. So that's all for this tutorial. Now if you would like to watch more bioinformatics related articles, then you can subscribe to our channel. And if you want to read more articles on bioinformatics, you can always visit our website bioinformaticsreview.com, and you can join our community by asking or answering questions, by joining Telegram channel, Facebook group, Reddit group, and become a patron. You can always write for us. And if you want to have digital or print access, and you can subscribe to our magazine. Visit our page bioinformaticsreview.com/subscription. If you have any query or suggestions, then email us at bioinformaticsreview.com. And for keeping yourself updated, subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page.